Hi, I'm Mark Smith, Master Certified Technician with Lazydays RV. So we're here to continue on with our series on holding tanks. We're going to talk about proper use, maintenance, and storage. So come on along with us and see what more we can learn. Now we're going to talk about your gray water tank or wastewater. Wastewater is all of your sinks, shower, washing machine, dishwasher, mostly everything inside except for the toilets. So all the gray water tanks are pretty clean inside, but you definitely want to make sure that you wash them out good. If you're going to use it for dry camping, so you're not hooked to a water hose, you want to put some chemical in there because of the odors inside can be pretty bad. As far as usage, on usage, again, you can leave the gray water tank closed, but if you're in a campground where you have sewage, so you can leave your hose hooked up, you can leave the gray side open and just let it bypass, because you don't have a lot of solids in that. All you have is food particles and stuff if you're people that like to cook a lot, and all that normally will wash right on out. So dry camping closed. If you're in a campground for a few days, a few weeks, you can leave it hooked up, leave that open. And as far as storage goes, you got to remember that both tanks, gray and black both, have ventilation through the roof. And that's where all the odor is supposed to go, is out through the roof. In a storage situation, if the coach sits there for a long time, the P-traps inside are what keep that odor from getting inside your coach. So you got to remember, anytime you go back in, first thing you want to do when you pull it out of storage is run water through everything. All the P-traps need to be full of water, or you're going to get that smell to the inside of the coach. One of the things a lot of people forget about is that if you have a washing machine, you always want to go and run a load wash through that before you take off for a trip, because driving down the road, it's going to create a vacuum. It's going to pull all that smell right inside your coach. So gray water is fairly simple. Keep it washed out, pour some chemical in it when you're not in use, keep that smell down, make sure you got water in all your P-traps, everything should be great. If you have any more questions, have any problems, just give us a call or come on down and see us here at Lazydays RV.